Hi, good afternoon, Darwin. I didn't get the exact information that I was looking for regarding your services, so I went ahead and I'm creating this video to show you how many people are looking for your services based on the light information that I have from you. So let's go to Google and type remodeling contractors, New Jersey, right? The first thing we're going to see here is this is sponsored by Google. You pay to be there. Then we have the map section, and if you have a Google business profile, you can definitely be here. But you need to consider three things. Number one, content. Number two would be images. They need to be optimized images, all the pictures, photos. And three, reviews. If you have reviews, you need to reply to those reviews. Good or bad, you need to reply to those reviews. That's one of the main things that Google looks likes to see. Okay. Then on the organic results, number one, we have these guys, Magnolia Home Remodeling Group. These guys are huge. Every time that I see that they do a research here in New Jersey for home remodeling, these guys pop up first every single time. Then number two, we got this Belari Home Remodeling. Number three, JMC Home Improvements Specialist. But quick fact is that 70% of the people that do a Google search, they only go for the top three here and the top three here. That means that less than 30% will actually, will go all the way down even to the second page or third page. So all the traffic will be here. Now I'll show you why is that crucial. So if we open their website, let's see the whole website, right? The first thing we need to take in consideration, if you're going to have a website, and please don't get me wrong, anybody can have a website. But if you want to be showing up on Google, you need to have relevant content in keywords. That's the first thing, okay? When I say content keywords, I'm talking about all the text that your website has, all this, right? For example, these guys have this as a key as a keyword. I can tell home improvement contractor New Jersey, and they surround that keyword with a lot of relevant content. That's what Google is looking for. They love to see that, okay? So content. The more content, the better. Content here, content here. So these guys actually know the value of having relevant content. If we look on the numbers, let me just show you this really quick. I was doing another one for another client here. Let's see here. Oh, there we go. Okay, so I use this tool called Ahrefs, and what this does, it picks data from a website based on Google criteria. So these guys are being found for over 8,000 keywords, and they have around 1.8 million backlinks. This is the second most important thing about showing up on Google. What are backlinks? Backlinks are other sites or other websites that are mentioning your name or your business name, and this will give you the power so you can be found on Google. Think about like a popularity contest, just like that. The more people you get to talk about you, positively in a positive way, the more relevant you're gonna become, and you will climb those positions. Same thing here happens here. Now, that being said, let's see what kind of keywords they're being found for really quick, and I'm pretty sure most of these services will apply to you. Let's take a look. See, home remodeling NJ. There's 250 searches a month. That means that there's an average of 250, 240 people looking for this every single month. These guys, for being ranking number 2, are getting 118 visits. That could be easily translated to 118 chances they get every single month to get a client that is looking for home remodeling in New Jersey. Bathroom remodels. There's 300 searches a month because they're ranking number 2, another 111. So if we do the math just between these two, they're getting what? Over 229 visits. So 229 visits just on those two keywords. They get every single day. I mean, every single month. I'm sorry. Let's say you do kitchens too, kitchens renovation. These guys are ranking for that too. There's 200 searches a month because they're ranking number 1. Excuse me, another 75. Let's see what else they have. Home renovation. 250 searches a month because they're ranking number 1, another 52. So that's where the value comes, right? That's how these guys get clients. Because if you, for example, would like to target this one, home remodeling company, there's 2,000 search a month, but this is a national keyword. This is covering the whole United States. What will be the key? And these guys are ranking number 6. what good would be somebody, I don't know, in Utah or Alaska or California searches this and your name pops up. You don't cover those areas. So very important to understand that you need to narrow down keywords to your specific location. In this case, New Jersey, because it's not that big, but it works. So I don't want to take too much of your time. I hope you find this information useful. And most important, if you're tired of posting on social media, trying to get clients, I wasn't sure if you had a website so I can analyze it and compare some data between these guys that are ranking number one with yours. But again, this will give you another perspective on how you can get clients without the hustle of being on Facebook or social media trying to reply to posts that people are looking for, probably quotes and everything like that. So again, I hope you find this information useful. If you have any questions, please let me know. But other than that, thank you for watching.